What's good, Tam fam? We're back with another video, and today is a special day. First of all, y'all see the Tam Vlogs mask. Y'all see that, and y'all see where I'm at with the fam, pops, mom, Tam in the building. I'm here to get a car. If y'all know, I wrecked my car sometime. What was that, at the beginning of the year? I think. Yeah, mom said it was January. I put up a picture of the car. Yeah, my baby Martha. But now I'm coming to get a new Martha. I don't know what we're gonna name her, but today is car day. We walking through. See these terrains? This is kind of dope. They read.
See in the middle, you can move. You can adjust. You see how you gotta see how much you can move back over here, so I can move that seat back.
Okay.
See, they already knew I was coming because they got the radio jamming already. Let me get there. Oh, okay. Okay, we can be fancy. Got a key. New car smell. Look at this interior. No, you can't get no ride, and no, you're not driving.
I am.
Now you know I'm still teaching. That's a lady. We'll go around the front.
I'm in the line.
This nigga right there. I don't want to get too happy because, you know, I mean, it's cool, it's spacious, but I want to see what else is out there. Huh? We?
Yeah.
Yeah, do French.
Yeah, you know that.
Y'all see this mask? That mask kind of clean.
Yes, sir, Tat.
Mama rocking that nice shirt.
Beauty.
Yes.
You don't want to learn how to drive. I can't. Hopefully I have a car by the time I graduate. Hopefully he'll teach me how to drive still.
Okay, ain't nobody around me. This got the crew. Hey, you know I be.
See you go by?
Yes, sir. If I needed to. Got the radio. What is it? Get the key. Got the radio. Oh yes, sir. I like this. Just
Navigation system? Yep.
So we got the phone. We got the phone. Radio. Oh yeah. Okay. Pictures. No, I don't have navigation. I don't see it. Huh? Right. Yeah. Maybe it do. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing yet. Yo, this is nice. Mr. Dad.
Yeah, they made this HEB about a little bit over a year ago.
It ain't always been there.
Last time I've been out here, that wasn't there.
Yeah, I'm glad they brought it because I just moved up here from Austin about a year and a half ago, and we got those HEBs all over Austin. We got at least 31 of them all over Austin.
Oh my gosh.
So they got better produce too, better stuff.
I go to on this one. Right here.
I'm gonna make a U-turn right here. Let's make a U-turn.
Follow that course.
Yeah, follow those cars up. Yeah, follow those cars up.
Oh, okay. Oh, he found him some shade. Yeah. Okay, this line's pretty nice.
How many miles is it showing on there right now?
92,772.
92.72.
92,772. Yes, sir. It's a nice ride, y'all. That road pretty smooth. Took it on the freeway. Let's go talk about it. Y'all, we at Stevie D's. Black owned Philly cheesesteak, y'all. We're gonna see what this is about. Thank you, sir. They got some of everything. You ready for the not necessarily. We're gonna see what they doing. They like they got burgers, fries, of course the cheese steaks. It's about to be smack. So y'all, that'll be it for this video, man. Y'all do me a favor, like and subscribe. Y'all, I think this is gonna be the one. One thing I didn't record is after we left that lot, we went to another lot, but they didn't really have anything, and I think this is gonna be the one. I really do, man. But look, I'ma see y'all when I see y'all, and we out. Mwah!